Okay, so the back light, tail light on my Dyna went out when I was at the Miracle Mile Harley Davidson shop. One of the guys rode up the block, told me got no back lights. So, as you can see, that is the case. Nothing there. So we're gonna hop on in and see what's up. This time it looks like the bulb just straight up fell out. Alright, so I got the bulb out pretty easily. Happy about that. I got some dielectric grease for the bulb. I want to see if the bulb still works, because I thought it was blown. Alright. Hey! Alright, bulb still works. Again though, it's just always on. Doesn't change at all. When we get to the brakes. So now that that's in and good place, we'll reattach it and then get to fixing on the other parts. As you can see, brake light fully engaged. It should be at a much lower level than that. Where we got over here, squeeze it. No change. Foot, no change. Both, nothing. Okay. So, after doing some research, they suggested the problem might actually end up being here. Up in here. The rear stoplight indicator. So, they said to give it a pull. So now that that's out, can't see if you can get a good view at it, but it's out. Coming along here, the red light should be at the normal brake light. Which it is. Okay. And look at that, squeezing the front light, it's engaged, just as it should be. Okay, the back shouldn't do anything, which it doesn't since it's disconnected. So we're going to get to replacing the back, the rear switch, and let's hope it goes smoothly. So I'm about to start getting the switch out, the old one, So my buddy Brian right here is keeping constant pressure on the back brake, the rear brake, just to make sure that we can try and eliminate as much spillage as possible, because some brake fluid might come out of there. Okay, so we got the rear sensor back on. Now, if you'll notice, here's the old one. We got the new one on. It looks a little further than what I would have liked. But, I mean, she's not moving, she's not budging. That's just how it is. So, confirm it. Got the lights going now. And as you can see before, this is how daytime should be. Brian, you want to hit that? And there she goes. And that's on the back brake. See it? Alright. You want to hit the front brake too? There she goes. So, looks like we're good here. The only thing is now, you see the front brake, it definitely is loose. That shit is loose. So we're gonna have to go in and flush and leave the brakes. Well, bit of a problem getting over to here to the rear caliper. Started to, I can smell some of that fluid, started to strip. So I don't have the tools for that job just yet, and I don't want to fuck up the bike and make it impossible to work on. So it doesn't seem like there's anything leaking right now. Everything seems okay, so I might just pop on by to a professional and get that shit sorted. But at least we got the rear brake on okay, and that's what matters. So